Well, guys, this is the second part. It seems like somebody told me that my video shut off. But here's the brass on the trunk, right there. And then here's the aluminum tubing on both sides. The same as for the hood. And the doors, the brass is on the fenders, and the tube goes inside the door. But if you do like a 60s car or earlier, the doors swing out. So then that aluminum tube that's straight up and down will be in the fender. Brass will be inside the door. But as you can see, it all opens up and it stays. See? And then I'll close it up. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't realize that it was shut off. So, but anyways, like I said, if you want to learn more about how-tos, just PM me, and I will get to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.